Hi guys, I'm Leah from Virginia, Vietnam. Today I have a new wig and I will show you the new wig with two mannequins. And let's see the difference between them, and maybe you will like the new wig and maybe you will have a new wig for your Christmas and New Year 2022. Okay, let's go. Okay, on my hand is a wig we made from 120 grams of hair with 8 inches, and you can see the wig look very full and very beautiful. And okay, let's see the wig clearly. You can see we made this wig with 2x4 closer and a bead lace frontal in the front, and you can see the hairs is very bouncy and very elastic.